In this video, we'll go over the initial power-up and wiring of the Barnacle system. To power up the device, connect between 9 and 60 volts DC to the power port using the supplied Barnacle power cable. Once power is applied, the power LED will illuminate to indicate that the system is powered. You will also see an activity light showing that the system is booting. Additional indicators will appear once the system has acquired a GPS signal and when wireless sensors are connected. Next, connect the GPS antenna to the GPS port on the device. Once connected, the system will automatically begin acquiring a GPS position. Next, connect the device to your boat's network. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the device to the router on your vessel that provides the local network. This network often provides internet access, which allows the device to communicate with the Barnacle mobile app and remote services. However, an internet connection is not required. All configuration can also be completed on the local network if internet access is not available. If your vessel includes additional marine networks, such as a Garmin or Raymarine network, you can connect to those networks using the included USB hub and a second Ethernet cable. Connect the USB hub to the USB port on the device. Once connected, the hub allows you to add a second Ethernet connection. This second Ethernet connection can be used to connect to a Garmin or Raymarine network for accessing compatible cameras. For more information on connecting to different camera networks, please refer to the Barnacle documentation. Next, connect a NMEA 2000 cable to the NMEA 2000 port. This will allow the Barnacle to begin discovering NMEA 2000 devices on your network. Please note that NMEA 2000 cables are not included with the Barnacle system. Finally, connect the 10-pin connector to your BRNKL Blue if you plan to monitor analog or digital inputs, or connect external devices such as sirens, strobe lights, or indicator lights, and that completes the initial power-up and wiring process for the BRNKL Blue system.